Barangay Molino 3, Bacoor City in Cavite Province as of today has 12 confirmed coronavirus cases. This was confirmed by Mayor Lani Mercado Revilla.
12 ang meron sila. Plus majority po dun sa 12 yon ay may home contamination. So dapat po talaga i-isolate po natin yung area para hindi na magkaroon ng hawahan pa sa iba pang mga kalapit barangay nito.
This has prompted the city government to impose a total lockdown in the barangay beginning midnight of April 24 until April 30, 2020.
Tuloy pa rin naman ho ang one quarantine pass per family, pero ang kanilang pamimili ay sa loob na lamang po ng Barangay Molino 3 at hindi na ho sila pwedeng lumabas.
Bacoor City authorities will also install 6 checkpoints on the entry and exit points of Barangay Molino 3. These are the areas of Molino 7, Molino 5, Molino 2 extension boundary, Imus City boundary, Celestino Market, and the PNP substation on the border of Molino 2 and 3. On the other hand, roadblocks will be installed in Camilla South Molino 4, Gawaran extension in Molino 7, Queens Row Central boundary, and Villazana Imus City boundary. Total confirmed COVID-19 cases in Bacoor City stands at 66, according to the city government's data. Meanwhile, in Davao City, 4 zones are now under lockdown after several confirmed coronavirus cases were recorded in the areas. These are Purok 3, 4, and 7 in Barangay 23-C Mini Forest and Purok 8 in Barangay 21-C Piapi Boulevard. Several other zones will be on lockdown like in Buhangin proper in Buhangin District, which is considered as a hotspot because of the high number of recorded COVID-19 cases. Residents are not allowed outdoors. That means their food and medicine passes will not be honored. Every entry points in the city's barangays will be barricaded. People who are not residents here are not allowed to enter the area. Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte commits the city government's readiness to give assistance to the residents for their everyday needs. Local authorities and Davao City COVID-19 Task Force will observe the lockdown situation for 14 days and then decide on whether or not to lift the measures once there are no more new cases reported. Janice Inhente, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.